Yeah. What's your happy dance now?
Happy dance.
Happy dance, hello?
Yeah, happy dance. Hey, yeah. Real movie.
Only movie
Rasta. Janet.
Here's a photo what I show you.
Yeah.
Now I show you a photo.
Whose photo is that now?
I don't think I want to tell you. Do you want to hear?
Go on then.
Want me to tell you?
Mm-hmm.
His name is Sonic EXE and I'm afraid.
Oh, it's Sonic the Hedgehog. I know Sonic.
No,
Not the...
Sonic EXE.
Oh, is that the fast one that runs?
And
No.
it's really horrible.
Yeah, that's the mean one.
Yes, I know it's me.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Whoa, the man said put on the pot, make the pot start roll.
More get it, you know, so get some corn in and some flour, you know.
You know what I mean?
I get in some rice, which one?
Anything you rather.
From week where I eat rice, man. We got a pack of brown rice right now.
Anything you rather.
Yeah.
You say,
Put on flour, you know.
yeah.
Yeah, man.
Neat till your fingernail burn you.
Yeah, man. Put on 5 pounds of flour while we're jerk the chicken.
While we're jerking, dumpling
We can
kneading.
make it work. We can make it work.
Always make it work.
Always make it
Man,
work.
I'll judge up there. I said, John, we get away.
Yeah, I'll judge. The man say I'll quote him go and the man talk about Rasta Jackson.
We get away to farm.
We go walk, where's him?
We go to all apart. So
We go walk ways.
No, it's like one, yeah?
Yeah.
yeah.
I don't want that. I don't want
The
that.
man done, man.
Oh, don't know.
The man done. I know, don't give a bad argument there.
Yeah.
I'm different in the Terry road.
Yeah.
So I'm Terry side.
We go walk. We go walk. Why are we here?
We give them dance and say, what kind of dance that? Cup and sauce, someone.
It's up, when I want the up and sauce. Cup and sauce.
Cup and sauce.
Cup and sauce.
Some people take it on TV, you know, so kill them.
Yeah.
You see it?
Cup and sauce.
See it? Watch it now. This is stress dance now.
Stress dance. Yeah.
Peter?
Stress.
Stress dance.
Stress dance.
You can't talk to me with dance, what talk. You go to the world and go and do that.
Yeah.
Watch your happy dance now.
Happy dance.
Happy dance, hello?
Yeah, happy dance. Hey, yeah. Real movie.
Only movie
Rasta.
That's a man cargo, man.
I tell you, dripping.
Yo, wash it. Let's not disappoint, man.
My son, you know.
Yeah.
I'm messing up. best, not killer. Yeah, no, worship for the best.
Yo, you know?
Whoa, man.
Bigger jerk. No kids meal.
Oh yeah.
Whoa, it's a bigger jerk right now. Oh, bigger things. So whoa, chef, and roll me there on bigger things. Hey, whoa.
No, man, Jamaica, man, I should have done that. So I just go to now, use a store right now. Clean up. Yeah, man, genius, man. Yeah, we can get the jerk from, you know?
Yeah. The bigger pan.
Bigger pan, you know.
The next one to do the Arnold, you know?
Arnold one, you know.
Yeah.
I feel like we forgot the Arnold.
You know, for the Arnold. That's what I just asked. I want Arnold too.
Yeah.
So this is for the chicken.
Yeah.
We'll get the Arnold one next.
Next
Arnold
move on Arnold one, you know.
Yeah. See it
I want to
there.
have pork, chicken there, pork there.
Yeah.
Alright, see it there. Boat.
See it, man.
Boat too.
Boat and ship up for there, you know?
Yeah.
We'll get the next one, the grill now, let's put on the swings of a lobster.
Yeah, you
See, oh, so you have two more to get.
Swim around,
Yeah, swims and lobster, you see?
Yeah, they look at it as a beer grill and pan.
Yeah.
That's all Oliver saying, you can upgrade the thing.
Yeah, man, that man.
You see me? And you see the upgrade?
That come in, man, soon, my friend.
Arnold. I want to say fish.
Yeah.
You see me?
Fry more and thing, man, upgrade.
Yeah, man, the next deep fry to
Upgrade it, you see?
no, fried chicken to everything. Lockdown
Fix it,
weekend.
that fix right now, you know.
All inclusive.
Just need to just go feet now and see it, you see?
Yeah.
All inclusive the weekend.
It's all inclusive, resort style.
Resort side, everything there.
Everything there.
Every sauce. Barbecue sauce, everything.
Wow.
Man, I have all season too.
All
Yeah.
season, all spikes.
They have spice from Italy, Spain, Germany.
Yeah.
Largest season where USA come from, because when I left out the USA.
Yeah.
Twice.
Man, you see it?
Twice.
England.
Yeah.
Canada.
You know, you see it?
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
One, two more jerk pan and now the next deep fry, like that.
Yeah, two more jerk pan and next deep fry. And the thing goes up.
Yeah.
So you see, you just line off with jerk and deep
We just
fry.
Put it on the swim around pan, and I'll have the chicken.
Nothing more. Oh,
Swim around one can do the swings pan it. Holy thing, man.
sun coming out beautiful. Nah, like.
Mama. Mama there.
Baby dream. Baby dream.
Mama.
Message coming in.
Yeah, I said mama, yeah.
Yes, mama. And a mama that man that I can see. That's I can see.
I can see.
Yeah.
The mama there. Yeah, man.
I
Look,
can
mama,
see.
you know.
And your baby dream. And
Dream team goalie.
baby wake just gone already.
Yeah, man. Dream team goalie.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at dream team, you know.
Yes, man.
Look at
I can see your mommy. That's what I see. Your mommy right here. So I can see. Baby dream. Dream. Yeah. Yeah. Welcome to the dream team. Welcome. Yes. Welcome to the dream team. Yeah. Go on. Say hello. Blessings to all donors. Oh, so she like the drip.
Yeah, she like the drip.
I can see. She like the drip.
Yeah, man. See that? No, that's the man. Mama. Mama. See drip there? Mama, see that? Whoa. Mama, see drip there? Whoa, mama.
At the drip, the baby one, man. The baby wants the drip. With the eyes dripping. Yeah. Baby dream.
Give us something now.
Pray to our finger with the dream.
Mama, they're
Eh.
not the son. Mama, they're not the son. Yeah, they're not the son. Yeah.
So now come out nice. Yeah?
Nah, never buy man.
Everything in a photo shoot.
Vibes. Vibes.
Well, blessing, Dream Team One Team, Dream Team One Team. And now we're here on 2nd Street. Come to see Shanette. Remember the little girl with the legs who meant to have the operation. So apparently she had the operation done, which is the good news. Now she had the operation done, so I'm here to pay her a visit to get some info and see how everything went well. So we give thanks to all the donors who reach out. You know, we give thanks, much love. You know, much love for all that support and the journey. You know, for Shanette, we give thanks, and we're gonna give an update. You know, and see what's everything is looking right now. So, but it's great news that the operation have been done, and now she's on the journey of recovery. So it's a Dream Team One Team, and don't forget to like and don't forget to share. Remember, put that thumbs up like this. Dream Team. Oh, whoa,
Whoa.
new entrance. Whoa, them big space I have. Everyone.
Yeah.
That big space this you have, man. Holy heap of space.
Buy them when them turn, when them rise.
Oh, them buy them when them turn.
Yes.
Big hell of a space you have, man, in there, man.
I want a good space.
Big space.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so Shanette.
On the bed, you know?
Can I mango in there? Oh, one for your change up. Turn the TV to crazy.
Take a strawberry
Hello. Hello, my friend.
I have so much talking game on my app.
Yeah, so much
These are
talking.
my
Pull up the
friendly
and pull up my
game.
keyboard a little bit.
These are my
More time I get one, you tell them no. People them like one, dish me out them. So them steal them really. Then a foot, idiot and all. I tell them no, nobody does know them. No, you know. I should chat, little chance to talk to people them. You know?
They also have $40,000 from Big Ashan, Darcia, and Melissa from Toronto, Canada.
She's friendly. She's friendly.
Alright.
Look, she's friendly. But I know some name Angela is kind of creepy, but she's hiding a big mistake word from you, but she can listen what you're saying.
Oh, what's your name? Angela.
Yes, she's gonna listen what you're saying.
And I used to get another one. Oh, you're right, Angela. So you're taking good care of Angela?
Yes, she's
Wow.
hungry.
Wow.
Are you hungry?
Look what's going on. Shannon.
Yes.
Shannon. Turn on look a bit. Wow. I love what I see. You got your operation done.
Yes.
Yes, so soon you're gonna be walking, running up and down really fast. Like you're doing Olympics.
Yes.
How was it?
Great.
Yeah, so how you feel now?
I'm feeling okay.
Feel okay?
Yes.
Are you feels much satisfied now?
Yes.
Yeah, she seems more polite now. She seems more polite. You see that she shoved already.
Yeah.
She will kill her, but we can't keep up with her. So how was your day?
I'm great.
I'm great. Well, mine is great. You know, some people will say good, but great is great. Great is much better. So my day is great, and I'm great to see that you're in recovery mode now. You're getting much better, and your two legs then. So them say now. So I'm gonna speak to your dad for a minute. I will come back to you. Okay?
I will go take care of Angela.
You're gonna take care of Angela.
Yes.
Yes, I don't love it. I love what I'm seeing. Yeah, very prime. So, yes, Daddy.
Yeah, give thanks and praise today.
Why it's the most high.
Team, you know?
Yeah, we give thanks and
Give
praise.
thanks and praise to the Gene team, because them made this possible that
The
this
donors.
operation could have gone and the donors them still, you know?
Yeah, so we have to give a big thanks
We
and a
have
big.
big thanks to all the donors that were sitting there and know say we have got you and I appreciate for all of them can do this thing still, because
Yes.
it costs me a little a lot still, but
Yeah.
it's reduced and we're glad for them put it to, and you know?
Yeah. So what was the cost of them do the operation?
$460,000.
$460,000.
Them say 33,000 US. So when time I got to the social workers, they sent me some other social workers, so them sign up some paper from UC and send me down a chill from Bustamante.
Oh.
So come it kind of reduced down.
Reduce like.
Them
Yeah.
say me I got you still, and
Yeah, and then again, come on, we ain't working like that, you know.
Help and, you know.
Yeah, I will give thanks.
Possible from the donors them still, you know.
Yeah, why?
I never have it put down still with them saying and put it down. It just multiply upon them really, so.
And we really appreciate and really respect you for that, because knowing that when time you have something and money, like substantial amount of money like that, you know, like.
Yeah.
Because people will try to go inside it just to say they will use a liquor and use a liquor, knowing that it was.
And I mean, a sacrifice, you have to make sacrifice.
I'm kind of respect the sacrifice.
Okay, where you're tempted to. You have to know, say, man, you have the art to a specialty, you see?
Yes.
And I respect all the donors them same way again.
Or reach out
To me and know some boy, it's a positive thing and I love for me still, you see?
Yeah. Sure.
What the dream team to, because never the dream team, you know, have this thing here, would have one down panda right, you know?
Yes.
They got the dream team overall still, and the donors them were with the bucket still, you see?
Yeah.
And kind of like a whole right, you know, because everything kind of flowed out for me right, you know, you see? But if you had a scope of them, you can.
Father God, them always say Father God will never give more than you can bear, and the greatest part, you know, when you make the sacrifice to make sure say your daughter now is much in a better condition than where she was before, you know, because this is what she's been praying for. You know, so you can imagine, and you've been praying, and you've been through the stress, you've been through the ups and the downs with the two of them. You know, because you also have another daughter with a disability as well too, so you've been going through that.
Mentally interactive.
Yeah. It makes you kind of slow. She's slow to react, so you've been going through the two of them from the longest while. You know, I don't know how long, you know, but it's for the longest while you've been going through as a father.
A real father, man, I tell you.
Prime example, man.
To the end, you know? Yeah, man, is a father to the end. Never see it to the end, you see?
Yes.
I'm not go quarter, half, we are run left it, you see?
No.
And my problem, I'm stand up in it, you see? Nobody can help me but myself, is it?
Nobody at all. Nobody. So how long the operation did take?
Well, because it was a quick
operation.
come like Father God against me, see.
Yes,
So
everything.
going there the Monday and the Thursday it started.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They talk about the following Tuesday.
The following Tuesday.
Come home.
Yeah.
So our appointment date at the 9th of March I come in. So I'm going to cut out the cancer, cut out it and X-ray.
Oh, so gonna take out the cast.
X-ray.
Oh, X-ray, they're gonna X-ray about the legs.
Yeah, X-ray about the legs. So then, you carry them, and just put the X-ray paper, same time with the appointment, and then cut time, let's go take the X-ray same time.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Paper.
So look at the X-ray paper.
X-ray paper, this is fine. See, you see him there and try and share going, that we can get the X-ray done, is it?
Okay. Yeah.
And I'm going to cast it back.
Oh, so then
Yeah, we put on the cast.
Yeah.
Next time we go back there, I'll take it off and for choreography therapy.
Okay.
Each time we choreography
Therapy each time.
Yeah.
So each time you should try therapy.
Yeah.
What with the cast?
No, when time come off.
When time come off, yeah.
We should go through therapist.
Yeah, she definitely have to go through that. So and that's another thing, and that's another cost is gonna be on it, right? Or how they gonna do the therapy?
I'm not telling me no cost of that.
Don't tell me cost.
She should go through therapy and time come off.
When time come off, yeah. You have to help her for work,
Yeah.
to function, because you know, so.
Well, to the lady there have a quality at my grandmother have a walker.
Okay.
So I can hold this, some just put it in a place, all that stuff.
Oh, the walker, Miss Dolly. Yeah. You see, that's why it work useful.
Yeah.
You know, because you know Miss Dolly is not
Yeah,
here.
because I trip the man, like
No.
for Shannon.
Yeah.
That's a view. See, the
It's
people
abuse.
out there, we need it good, isn't it?
Yeah. Of course, it abuse,
See, they
yeah, and see it
Yeah.
abuse. Hopefully, it's not too tall for her.
No.
Hopefully, it's not
She
too.
get tired.
And she get tired. She grow. And Shanette is growing. I'm not lying, I feel so good, and I know so do and them gonna feel
Me
so
feel so
good.
good.
Boy, I can't imagine. I can't imagine because I can see the relief now upon your face and the smile. It never come off of your face right now to see the progress. You know, because I see you've been stressing, you've been worrying, you can't wait to get a date. You know, that was the main thing that was stressing you to get the date.
A long time I got you.
Long time, man.
I want to tell you, say, you know, I go to me step up all those. Because I never step up all those by smart.
Yeah.
Because each time I go, first time I go, them to the girl 2 times a day.
That's one for straightening the bone.
Yeah.
Remember that one when you said for straightening the bone. Right, Shanette. Look at my friend Shanette. How is it, Dolly?
My daddy,
She's alright?
yes, you just take care of her.
You take care of
But
her?
since I cannot find her anywhere.
Oh, since he was sick? No, since he was in the hospital.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
So I'm not have it right now, one back.
Okay, one section.
One
How you make it?
Alright,
Alright, then one sec.
Some more and everything. I don't want to run out of it, is it?
Yeah. Oh, so yeah, because this is, you remember it, and this is for the straightening the bone, right? And a good thing, as you say, they kind of up it up.
Yeah, because when I say, if I never do it so, them would put it off.
Oh, because the
Them put
bone
it as
was
4 times now for the for the day.
4
Some of you 5 times.
instead.
See?
Yeah.
No, say them all say boy, me not get you know. So me get 5 times, me get 4 times when she got bed, me get there.
Yeah.
So until I get the blood test, because they say if the blood test is there 50, 52.
Yeah.
See? That's how they say it is.
Yeah.
56.
56. So
So when
add
them say
the
the tests
percentage.
are going on, what them say?
Yeah,
Them say
improvement over.
I'm going to the nurse man say, no man, operation can go on. So bring on.
Because the bone is more firmer than before, and a good thing you've been doing. I mean, it's a good thing you've been giving her the medication as well, and time, and a good thing like you could afford to get the support to go and do that. Because if you never get the support from anywhere where you can go and
Me in a limbo.
in a limbo. When the operation time, they tell us that the bone is not firm enough. Yeah, the brick bone have a break. Yeah.
That them tell me all along. Them don't want to do it.
And it break up. Yeah.
See?
Yeah, because you also have a little girl as well too, who's on the program. We got the brick bone as well too, like her legs keep breaking.
She Good, she get them here?
I don't know if she get that, you know. She don't get that
She
down.
have to get it. She have to get on this one here.
Yes, because this is the mother from
Original
Reddings.
one. This is the original, yeah.
But-
This deer and one, this more deer.
You know, I'm going to ask her, because even though she's a little girl born with a brick bone,
No man, she can't get strong, you know. She can't get strong. See them here? Make sure of them, you see them pillar, make sure of them enough.
yeah.
Then make sure buy them. But if she not have them here, we give her, but this one, this are the duplicate, this are the original.
Okay.
See? So look, that's the original look. So the original look. This is the original. See? And the one here, and the duplicate.
You have to put it out, you have to take it out.
See?
Okay, duplicate.
Yeah, this are the duplicate, these are the original.
And then the head straight to the bones.
Yeah.
Wait, with that. What the name of it? Let's tell me the name of it.
We have fast flakes.
Fast Flakes.
Yeah, and by control.
And by control.
The one named by control.
So Fast Flake and by control. So I will highlight her about it.
I will play pranking the guy.
Yeah, so my girl.
She have to have them, yeah. She not have them, yeah. She not get through the operation. So she have to feed, give them,
Yeah. But I doubt she will have an operation because she was just like literally she was born with a brick bone the whole body. She was literally break from she in her belly, she had break. You know,
She
so
can't put her up on them, man.
well, I suggest it to her still
And
and ask her if she know about it. And then if the doctor did mention anything about it to her.
Seriously.
So if the doctor never mention anything to her about it, I don't know what. So we will say it to her then, right? So but the greatest part, vamp, I like what I go on. And I know say you're much pleased now, you're more happier. Because I can see the heavy weight come off of your face. Before when they say worry about worries and you worry about, you know. And
Yeah, about talk about the operation, man. How
yeah.
put me up.
because the dates, you know, okay, I've been trying to get the date. And if you get the date, I know you get the operation. So you see what time when you believe in the Almighty, how
Yeah.
things work.
Pray for your heart, thing will happen.
Yeah.
You know, just get up and say, Father, this one. Just pray for your heart, thing will happen.
Sure. Cause look where we are.
You see?
Yeah, look where we are now.
Yeah.
Remember we used to think about and talk about it and say, yo, can't wait to get a date and look upon where we are now today. You know, today. All the troubles them. You know, if you watch the video them and see where you're coming from and say,
Yeah,
yo,
man.
this is where you want to happen. You never know when and how. And look, Father God put a date through for you and the operation is done. And now you're princess now.
When I go for you, see. The same people will take care of them. Like them are the help around them. One of them will say, I don't know what them can do for she. That's come like this coming one at a time. I say, no, I mean, I go follow she, you know. Because my youth, I'm going to do the best of my can, you see? And I follow fear more. Because people just take things back, yeah, just feel you.
Yeah, true, true.
So I'm not going to make people talk to my heart feel. I just turn up for that.
Yeah, right, true.
Yeah, man.
I could have get, as we say, I could have get discouraged a long time.
Yeah, I'm going to do
Because of even when the doctor said that, you know what we're going to do, you see me? So from a doctor to say that, that's why I say sometimes you have to just go with what you think, you know, what your heart tells you. Sometimes you just follow it.
4 pairs of foot block, you know.
4 places.
Bring us up and block up and so. Bring us up and block up and then cut out a piece of the bone and so. Cut out
Oh, so them cut out a piece of the bone there, so and it broke from where, the ankle?
Yeah, broke from the ankle and so up there, so. See, a piece of wire in our leg.
Or them put wire in our leg?
Yeah, a piece of wire. Oh. Sorry, push. He's up, Shani.
No, Shannon not going to make it shit dog.
Why are they from here? He's up, Shani.
No, Shannon not going to make it shit. Oh, them put wire up on our leg right there, so.
Yeah, the cap in and plate there, so. So wire come right down here, so.
Yeah, John. So you see one thing like to go through.
Better now.
Yeah, I can see it get better. So you can always.
Stitches them drop out.
Yeah. Oh, I dissolve one them. I dissolve one them. Make sure it always stay up so she can get breeze from it. Okay, I want to boil up and make sure so she always keep the area clean.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, turn.
Can turn on, yeah, so
Sit
man.
up on our bottom and move. Push.
Yeah. I remember come
She
off,
not
boy.
coughing up pain again.
She not coughing.
When she just come out, be a pain. I couldn't sleep. Night time, I don't sleep. Never pray with the two of them. play with them.
Yeah.
Play the 42 of them fishing.
When were you born?
Should I go through the after effects, man?
But after 2 weeks time, I find it say, now I feel no pain again.
Yeah. And that's the medication we are give, right? When you give them. After a while, it will eventually kind of go down.
We want to be my friend?
Yeah, and I'm glad. I'm saying blessings to all the donors them that reach out. God bless you so much.
Same thing I have to say, no?
You know, God thank you so much, my boy. We don't even know to thank you as much as we can. You know, but I hope Father God will help us to thank you the way I want to. You know, because I don't think the thanks is really
well, see,
words.
one of them, a blessed people, them, I respect what them do for me. See, my father, because I God sent people.
Yeah.
Because I never have it, didn't have it, I'll tell you the truth.
Yeah, true.
Didn't have it.
No, yeah.
And it make me possible to see there. They make it possible.
See there. Yeah, of course. Happy princess. And as you say, you never have it, and you never know none of them from nowhere.
What's your name? If people never look for you and say, you don't have nobody to stand up there. You have one damn panda right now.
True.
I tell you the truth. Would I look up in a limb and them sitting there right now, you see? I just dream team make this possible to me and the donors, you see?
Yeah.
And she come out and I tell her to come
I will give thanks, you know, and as I say, sometimes in life, when it's your time, your time, no matter what, you see me, even if me decide say, yo, I don't feel like for go that day, I have to go because of a year time, a year time, you know, so if I have a different plan, it's a year time, so nobody can stop the time, you know, so it was year time, you know, because with the help, and whosoever will help on the side as well too, it was just a year time. Because if it was a year time, that still I go through the same problem. She'd have still here and say, oh, they might trouble me at school and all this little thing, you know. So Father God see and know. You understand?
Even you tell me that, I feel that way still, you know. When I tell her, I say, Daddy love you, you know. The greatest thing, Daddy love you, yeah?
That's right.
Yeah.
No matter what.
The greatest thing, no matter what.
People
Daddy
will
now
say.
left you, Daddy, is it? Yeah.
Never.
Enough time go up here and she cry, and now come and cry from school. They say, them a team, I said, bend up foot and all that. How you say, Mommy? Daddy love you. Then in the future, your foot now go stay, so you see? Now I go try there and now I fix your foot.
Yeah.
Then before I left the church, your foot have to fix, you see? Never tell her that.
See it there.
And come true. Dream come true.
See it there.
Because of the dream team, dream come true, you see?
Yeah, they call it dream team. So we make dreams come to reality. You know, because we always say, no, we are living other people's dream. You know, this is why we call it the dream team. Because people is going through them times, ups and downs, people going through them stress. People pray to get a better way out. And then we come along now, I get that dream come to reality. So you know, and the reality is here. So we live the dream, you know, we own our experience of full reality. So come around. That's why we say Father God put us together for some reason. You know, there have to be a reason. Everybody have a purpose to serve, and that's how we have to serve it. You know, because we cannot question it.
No.
You know, I never have to come back here to church and say me I do what I have to do. You know, so I never have to.
No, you never have to do that. But I just say.
Also, you have to do it. You have to do it.
Mentally, you to a good youth and them things. And you just make a thing and say, boy, dream team this and. Possible, of
course.
Because I get the help. Then me get help, me can show you so the help the dream team give me.
Yeah.
I could never the dream team, more than in a limbo now.
True. Yeah. For real, man. And I appreciate you put it to use.
Yeah.
You never go squander it and think about yourself.
No.
You know, you think about the kids. You sacrifice yourself with eating less. Just to make sure that things can happen for you and the youths. Them. You understand? I'm kind of respect that as a man. You know what I say? As a man, I respect that. I tell them that enough man, I pack it with them for pocket and go and sham around and say, I go and take this just in case I can put it back. But the sacrifice, you know, the art of a goal, see me. That's why you stick by them. You know? You stick by them everywhere. Janet!
Here's a photo what I show you.
Yeah.
Now I show you a photo.
Whose photo is that now?
I don't something I want to tell you. Do you want to hear?
Go on then.
You want me to tell you?
Mm-hmm.
His name is Sonic EXE and I'm afraid.
Oh, it's Sonic the Hedgehog. I know
No,
Sonic. Not the...
Sonic EXE.
Oh, is that the fast one that runs?
And
No.
it's really horrible.
Yeah, that's the mean one.
Yes, I know he's mean.
Who's mean? I know.
Because I know something is inside Sonic. Because I see and just come out of his mouth. So I don't want to download it on my tablet. So if I see if I want to play with him or something, I know it's evil. So I'm gonna just download it and see what he's gonna do.
Okay.
But I know he's nice. I know he's nice and he's smiling.
Yeah, he's smiling now. She's very intelligent, you know. Very, and she speak as well too. She speak English, proper English. She never come on and speak like the raw patois, you know, anything. She make you speak. Yeah, home training. Yeah. She kind of carry words them when she talk. You see. I like how you bring her up.
Different style, different from the youth and from the road.
Yeah, because she sound like a foreign baby. You know, a foreign baby just come from foreign. And them tell about them tablet. You don't think she's from foreign. And I kind of like that, you know.
Even me I do a homework and she call out her words. We try to put in a proper English for her anyway.
Yeah, so she understand.
So she knows another way the more you talk. This way, isn't it?
And you see, that's the example of it's always parenting. That's how brought up the kids.
No, see me now, with a proper parent. I don't know.
You don't have to have anything to be a parent. It's just your present and what you're gonna do.
Because my youth, them can't go to them can't, when I say go out, they say they can't go out there.
Yeah.
You can't pass the door, go.
See him like my father, if him say you don't leave the corner, I'm leave the corner and when I get licks when I come back.
And I'm telling them, I'm a parent, so yeah?
Yeah.
You know, I'm not respect for them, so you see me? Yeah.
Sure. I respect that, man, really respect that the way, because you see that now, as an answer, sometimes we as parents we have to look at ourselves, because how we brought up the kids them, the home training where them get. You understand? Because you know me I say if she the born in Jamaica as little as she is, and then she go grow up in China, she will grow up speak Chinese because that's what she know. Right? So if she grow in any other country, she will speak different language. She will speak for them language because that's what she know. So it's what the parents know and the parents are teach them. You know, so it's not easy being a parent now because you know the kids them sometimes. But when you're there and stand up, you know, because me experience with my parents, you know, because if they never stand up, me that probably have followed the wrong company from them times, you know, but them do stand up even when time I go out and see me and still not listen. They know so there's discipline sometimes, you know. Even sometimes them say it don't work, but it work in many ways from different type, you know.
Because you think about what your parents in your long run. So you want to see me. And some people talk you say, no, my parents never tell me that, so you put me the wrong way, you know.
And then now when you grow up with your friend, them all laugh off and say, yo, you can't go now because them parents are about us, you see me? So them think they try to influence you know, for sure, say, oh, I can't come up fight. So you have to know, see me, your parents have to dear see them way sometime, you know, and we give thanks. Let me say you're a prime example. Vamps, just go and continue with the things, see me, because you know we are going on the road.
Father to the end, you know?
Father to the end, see me, so we give thanks. Shanette,
Yes.
I'm going to leave you now, princess. Say
Bye.
So you're going to say bye to my... Say thank you, Donis.
Thank you, Donis,
for everything that you've done.
everything that you've done.
From Shanette.
Love you.
Love you.
Alright then, bye. Yes, Vams. We give thanks to all the
Respect for all the
donors.
donors, them, you know. I want to make it possible for me, yeah? I love to give me some more push till it's in, because medication and pampers and everything are big.
Yeah.
You know, kind of look at this right, you know, because certain things not reach, man. You know, we still have a sacrifice till it's in.
Yeah.
Even if we go back, send them on a school, like a challenge.
Challenge, yeah.
Papi enough to go for right, you know. School of Hope.
Yeah, School of Hope.
Yeah, School of Hope.
Okay.
Go for August over there.
Oh, I don't know that one there still. You there on the stretch, on the main?
Depend when I come on the university and go down.
Oh, okay. That's how far she go?
Yeah.
Okay, so the challenge still let us see me. Single father.
Yeah, man.
Just like I'm talking about single mother. They got the single father, see me.
Yeah, man.
I take on the world.
I mean, that's still about.
The single father. But we are praying, if anything come true, if someone, really willing to meet the requirement we're going through, the problem.
I don't have them, she say.
Yeah, them see it because now them can see exactly where the money been through. Where the money been. So that's the whole thing about it as well, because from them can see where the money is going to use.
Yeah.
People will trust to help you because them can say the money never go to waste, the money been to use. So you will ask for a little help for something, then they will glad to try to help you. No matter if them have it or but probably all the situation is now.
Yeah.
But they can see what you've done with the money. So if anything comes up, no matter how small it is, and we get something, you will see me. And as a man, Father God been looking out for you, and He will continue to do so. I understand, and from it's there, because sometimes the heart is willing, but the pocket is weak. And it's not only here.
Yeah. I don't know them things going on. So bless up everyone I don't have to help me out, and give thanks for me still, and God bless me here.
Every time.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.